Good morning everyone. Given to the circumstances of what the world is facing today in doing cost estimation work, I will share a small tip on how to automatically categorize and summarize data. First, based on the material type and model shown in the diagram, create comment categories here, enter a name, choose a color. This will help to differentiate different types of measurement marks more clearly. If there's a lot of measurement data, things may appear in a way very confusing. At this point, you can set the show or hide status of categories to focus on certain types of annotations, making the drawing more streamlined and clear. Once all the types are created, you can begin to measure the length and area. When doing measurement, you can select the corresponding category and the measured data will automatically be categorized under it, displaying in the preset color. For measuring length, it's recommended to use the continuous measurement function, which allows you to measure the total length of polylines, including curves. To measure areas, the polygon area function is recommended, which can measure the areas of shape that includes curve. After completing all the measurement, you can use the measurement tabulation function, which will automatically summarize the data by category. To view a specific category, you can simply select the category and the summarized data can be copied and exported to Excel with one click, making it easy to quickly compile into bills of quantities.